So anyway, here we are with the CMA is near us, and on occasions they have a bunch of functions. And decided we'd come down and take a look-see. Quite a few scoots around here. Kettle corn open. I got some. What is that?
Hunters. This is Iron Mountain on Highway 71.
Yeah.
Usually it's empty.
Yeah, we've camped here before, and us and two other people.
Yeah. This is
We
where
actually camped up there to the right. That
RV
one.
SWAT met us. We met them.
Yeah. So they have quite a following. Nice Mountaineer, gas power. How you doing? Yeah, it's kind of interesting. That's different colors. All RVs exit left. Stage left. An old road glide. They're not an old one, but a road glide. Huh. There they got them in here.
That's interesting.
They must have some heavy-duty facilities in here for all these people, because these are not all hooked up.
Yeah. I know they got a big kitchen.
There's a motorcycle trailer. That's a pretty good-sized tent.
Yeah.
Comes out of that.
So we're waiting on SWEPCO to put the pole in for our electric, and we're kind of frozen as to what we can do because we're still waiting on the engine for the truck as well. So we really can't do anything, and we thought we'd just take a drive and see the sights.
Road glide. Terry Lyons used to have one of those trailers. The red cabin. They got it all going on here. Thank you.
And that's it. Back to Highway 71.